Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishna and I welcome you to yet another haul video, and this time it is from Nykaa. As you know, I love shopping from Nykaa, so whenever I see good deals, maybe it is something that I want to restock because I love using it, or to try something new as a new product that I'm exploring, I just cannot stop myself from buying something when there is a good deal on Nykaa. If you want to see what all I have purchased in December, you need to stick to the end of this video. I have got some nice mix of products that I want to share with you people. So let's see what all I have in this year's first Nykaa haul. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. So without further ado, let's get started. Now I have these amount of boxes with products to share. Don't worry, the boxes look huge, but there are not so many products. It is just big in size. That's why I got it in two separate boxes, and those were two orders as well. I usually don't pay a huge order of 5,000 or 6,000. I break it up, and that is why I've got two boxes and multiple deals where I could save some money and get amazing products. I'll share with you all of these, and please keep in mind these were all December purchases. It was raining offers on Nykaa during the last month, so I just had to lay my hands on these things. Of course, there are some that I wanted to try. So all of these products are the ones that I have heard about a lot, or I have seen other YouTubers talk about. So I wanted to try them as well, and there are some I wanted to try for my own because I love chargers and stuff. So here you know you will be watching chargers in this video. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let us first see what is in the first Nykaa box. It has not a lot of products, couple of products. Let's quickly go through them. So on Makeup Revolution there was an amazing deal that I saw. So usually a good palette of Makeup Revolution is always about 1800 or 1750 or 1900, 2000, something like that. And then I came across a deal from Makeup Revolution, which is for their Wild Animal palette, and these are two sets of eyeshadows, and together they retail for rupees 70-50, whereas that is usually individual price point for each of these eyeshadows. Together the marked price was together the marked price was something 3500, but I got both of these at 1700. I'll quickly show you the color scheme. This is the Fierce version. From the color scheme, I believe you will be able to understand. Just look at this. This one has a beautiful, warm, rosy color palette scheme going on. I'll just remove the plastic sheen and I'll give you an idea of how the color looks like. See, these are all warm colors, and you get a full size, great size mirror here as well. And let us swatch some of the colors. Oh, it's buttery soft. The shimmers are not as much soft as the matte ones. These are just one stroke application of the colors. Just look at the color scheme. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and it's really very nice. So yeah, we'll be playing on with these colors pretty much sure, and grabbing such a deal on 1750 where I'm not only laying my hands on just one eyeshadow, rather two eyeshadow palettes, was something that I just couldn't resist myself. And I heard this deal actually not while searching on Nykaa. I heard what Hailey Wade purchased in her Nykaa haul. I was intrigued by that. After I checked the video, I just checked Nykaa and I saw that the offer was still there, so I thought I had to get it. The other one is this one. This is Wild Animal palette in the what is this? This is Integrity, and you get a full size mirror here as well. There's a beautiful combination of cool toners and warm colors here. If you look at this, see the color scheme is so beautiful, and you get a full size mirror here as well. Let's also swatch some of the pigmentation for these colors as well. Wow, just one stroke and I'll quickly swatch this green. Just look at this. It's a beautiful. Some are supremely pigmented, some are not, or else might be. I'm using the same fingers for this one, which I used for the other one. That's might be a reason. But nonetheless, whatever the situation will be, you will find out in my upcoming videos for sure. Moving on, Lakme had an interesting offer that it was flat 50% off, and after a certain range of purchase you would get a pouch free or something. So I've heard so much things about this that I wanted to give this Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate, the Gelato collection, this one. I wanted to give this a try. I'll quickly give you a swatch. It's buttery soft. This one, it's a very pretty shade. So I wanted to give this a try. This generally is very expensive, and without discount I will never ever ask anybody to purchase this, because this itself retails without discount at 800 rupees, and on discount I got it at flat, not exactly 40%, 50% off. It was something around 499, which is 500 rupees, but nonetheless this is an expensive one. I wanted to give this one a try. The color is very pretty. I will see how it fares on the eyelids and all, because it's supposed to be a liner. This is a Kohl Gelato collection. Not a liner, sorry, a kajal, because it's Kohl. But I will also use it as eyeshadow to check, because the color itself is very pretty and it's very easy to smudge this as well. So this might fare well as an eyeshadow as well. So I'll see, and you might also see it in some look or the other. So I got this one. And also another eyeshadow, I have seen others talk about it, that this is good. This is Pink Paradise, an eyeshadow collection from the Infinity Eyeshadow palette range from Lakme. And this one, has a color. With this you get this kind of a brush with smudgers on both sides, and this is the color scheme that you get. Pink and Pink Paradise, so pink, purples, browns, and there is one green shade. I don't know how it will be. I'll just quickly give you a swatch of this green. It's very mild. This is the green one. Maybe the pink one. The pink one is very pigmented. This is the pink one I just swatched. So I'll swatch another color, maybe this purple. Where should I swatch? Yeah. Oh, sorry, it's run over by the blue. Wait. I'll change. All of my fingers have some eyeshadow color or something. I don't know whether this will show or not. It's a very mild color. My hands are pretty dirty, so it's not picking up any other color right now, but you might see these in my future videos. I might use them for looks that you will see in other videos, or I might do eye makeup tutorial as well. Let's see how things go. But I was happy to try this one, because I have seen people who don't like Lakme products also rave about these on YouTube. So those two were the products from Lakme that I got. With that I got this gold pouch for free. It's a very big pouch and it's quite spacious if you look at this. So it's great to carry makeup stuffs around, or you can also put your jewelry and all, because that is what I'm going to do. This is a gold pouch. I have makeup pouches otherwise, and this looks perfect to store my jewelry. I won't be carrying makeup. You can of course carry makeup, but since I already have a makeup pouch, I might be using this for jewelry. It's quite spacious and the quality is pretty good. I got this for free, so I was very happy with Lakme. The quality of the bag is okay, it's good, but there are certain spots here, I don't know if the camera will pick or not, which I don't personally like. I don't know. So yeah, looking forward to use this one extensively, at least for my jewelry pieces. I love jewelry and I have quite a lot of collection, so I can store my earrings and whatnot. So got a great deal from Lakme and the pouch. Next is a shower gel. I have already spoken about shower gel in the intro, so you are aware that there will be shower gel. So this is the first shower gel. It's from the Pears Natural Nourishing Body Wash, and this is in the coconut variant. This is the coconut water variant. I have already used the soap variant for this one, and I love that so much that when I saw that that this is also in form of a body wash, then I just thought I'll just grab this one. This is perfect for winters. I love it. I've already used the soap version of this one, so I believe this will do wonders as a body wash as well. This has 250 ml of product, and this retails for rupees 180, but I paid rupees 162 for it. Please ignore the background noises because there are construction work going on in my next building, so can't do anything about it. So yeah, I got it at 162. So this finishes the first box. Let's move on to the other box, which is the bigger one. Now, continuing the saga of shower gels, I have bought the Nykaa's Wanderlust shower gel, and this is the Japanese Cherry Blossom one. I already have the Japanese Cherry Blossom body mist, and I love that so much that I thought, and Nykaa was having good deals on this one because you get you pay rupees 350 for 300 ml product at the marked price, but I got this at 298, and I love the smell of cherry blossom. This works beautiful on the body. I have already the jasmine variant, and I like that a lot, and this one I'm sure it won't be an exception. So this is kind of on the same lines. Another shower gel I have picked up from the Wanderlust range, and this is in the Sweet Pea range, Sicilian Sweet Pea range. This I have the body scrub from this range. That was a free gift that I got during some offer as well, and I love that smell, so I thought I'll venture out for this one. I might later on reach out for the body mist for this one as well. This is also a 300 ml product, and this retails for rupees 350, but this one I got it at lesser price than the Japanese Cherry Blossom one. This one I got it at rupees 280. Next up I have another shower gel, and this is from the Bath & Body Works range. This is the Winter Candy Apple Foam Glaze, and this shower gel I had to get it because I checked, I got the same variant, the body mist of it, the 88 ml, the small one, and I loved it so much that I thought that yeah, I might reach out for the shower gel, and especially during this time because it was available, and Bath & Body Works still has the discount, I believe. When this video will go live, I'm not sure whether it will be still available, but last year, towards the end of the year, they have had a sale of 60%, up to 60% off, and I got it at 50% off. So the marked price for these shower gels are, as per the sticker, it's 1299. However, I got it at rupees 598, so it was a great deal for me. And that means I also got the set complete, at least. I got the shower gel and the body mist with it. Talking about the set, I have another set here. This is the next shower gel, Frosted Coconut Snowball. Just look at the packaging. I mean, this packaging itself is so luxurious. I mean, Bath & Body Works definitely knows how to capture your attention through their packaging, and packaging means a lot for me. It is not only the quality of the product that is inside, that is of course the top thing that goes beyond everything, but if the packaging is attractive, that is where you reach out for the product in the first place. So when you are trying out new stuff, something that you know regardless of the packaging, you will purchase it. So yeah, I kind of stocked up for the entire year it seems, but we all use shower gels, so we go through them quite soon. So I'm so looking forward to use this one. This is a beautiful fragrance. Yeah, this is proper coconut fragrance, and I love coconut. You might have understood because the Pears one is a coconut water and this is coconut. I love coconut in any form, while eating or while applying on the hair or skin. So I'm sure this will be good as well. And talking about the set being complete, I have the body mist for this one as well. So you might get a detailed review for this one quite soon. It has a Christmas festive packaging, and it was the packaging that sold me actually properly when I looked at it, because I had no clue how the scent would be. This one at least I understood a bit because of the coconut one, and I know I always love and enjoy coconut smells, but of course coconut, we associate that with beaches in summer more than winters, but yeah, it's okay. But I love the packaging and so looking forward to use this one. And the final body mist that I have is Twisted Peppermint, and this is also the festive collection, and this is in the pink variant. The bottle is pink, the liquid is pink. It is very beautiful. The scent, yeah, it is a bit spicy but sweet, a bit fruity. We'll see. I'm not going to discuss about this fragrance in detail a lot, but because I will be reviewing them in detail for sure. Both these fragrances, these body mists are 236 mls each, and they have a mark price for $14.99 as per the sticker, but I believe on Nykaa it was $12.95 I believe. On top of that, the discount that I received, I paid $648 for each of them. Yeah, love the deals that I got from Bath & Body Works and other brands as well during this last year's sale, and I loved it a lot. So with that, we have come to the end of this whole haul. I hope you have enjoyed watching this and found interesting what all I have purchased. It's mostly shower gel and body mists and a couple of eyeshadows, of course. I love eyeshadows. I love trying them every day from a new palette or the other. So that way I love experiment. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section in case you have purchased any of these. What all have you purchased in the last Nykaa sale when the year was coming to an end? I'll be eager to know about these. Or else if you still want to purchase, you can leave me that in the comment section as well, and we can have a chat there. And before you leave, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it, and so that you are notified for all my future uploads. And join this family. We are a growing family, and please help me grow further. So as I said, I'll be sharing the reviews for body mists as well. So if you want to get notified of those review videos, you need to subscribe to this channel. I have seen all your comments. I know that you are waiting for my review for the Nykaa's Love Struck perfumes and the Masaba mini perfumes as well, but give me time. I have placed an order on the mini perfumes, but the Love Struck perfumes, they are on the expensive side. Each is 600 or 700, so I will need some time to gather those, test it out and share my review with you, so that I am satisfied with what information or what I feel about the perfumes when I am sharing with you is authentic. So please bear with me and wait for some time, and till then, enjoy all the videos that comes your way through my side, from my side. And that's it for today. I'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.